Microsoft PowerPoint 365 is fantastic. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to convert a 3D model into a GIF file. Stay online and watch my video. Let's jump on the computer to see how to create a fantastic GIF file. So here we go. First you click on the tab Insert, and then on the icon 3D Models. Select the selection Stop 3D Model from the context menu. Now the 3D models are loaded. Now click on Animated Animals and select your favorite animal. For our example, let's take this dog here. To confirm the selection, we click on the Insert button. Now the 3D model is inserted. With this symbol, we can even rotate the 3D model. The next step is to select the scene for the 3D model. The selected 3D model, our example, has 10 scenes. To animate our 3D model, we now duplicate this slide. To do this, right-click on the slide and select Duplicate Slide for the context menu. Repeat this 10 times. Then click here on the second slide and select the 3D model. A new tab 3D Models opens in the upper right corner. Now click on Scenes and select the second scene. Repeat the steps until you have defined a scene for each slide. To create the GIF, click the File tab. Select Export. And then create Animated GIF. Choose the best quality extra large. Set how long each scene lasts, then click Create GIF. Now your GIF file will be created. Give your file a storage name and then click on Save. Once the GIF is ready, you can insert it anywhere. And this is what the GIF we just created looks like. I hope you enjoyed watching the video.